it's said that AR will replace iPhone in about 10 years. And you know what? I kind of believe that because, even in the 90s, you would see movies, of different technology and different things. The way they would edit them, it would kind of make you think of what the future could hold. And as more technology progresses, especially in AR and VR, man, let me tell you guys, I cannot wait to see what it's all about. I've seen a lot of AR and VR glasses, and I've even tried some, and it's so cool. And we've been hearing about Apple making AR and VR glasses now. They're saying that AR glasses could be like normal glasses except AR. Can you imagine just wearing normal glasses out in public and, getting messages and different notifications and you can see it all in the air and stuff? Like, that is so cool. It's unimaginable. But I wanted to talk about this because this is a really cool idea and I really, really like it. As far as replacing the iPhone, though, I really don't think it's going to replace the iPhone. I think that, they're still going to be making iPhones and improving that. Let's face it, there's people who still like phones. They're gonna have a really hard time to transition to this AR VR stuff, And so I really think that for the young generation, yes, I think that they're going to be going to this AR stuff, VR stuff, because who doesn't love tech? Who doesn't appreciate the new and improved stuff? I mean, there's a lot of people out there who each and every year get the new and upgraded smartphone, whether it be iPhone or Android, So I definitely think whether there are a lot of AR and VR stuff, there's still going to be stuff that you can hold in your hand and do things with. Because, again, like I said, there's going to be a lot of people who don't want to get this new and expensive equipment to replace what they already have. But I wanted to voice my opinion about it. Like I said, I definitely think it's a cool idea, and I definitely think that in about 5-10 years, this will be happening, But I want to hear your guys' opinions in the comment section down below. Let's have a conversation. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.